Hello everybody, it's Mason here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a survival kit and a sardine can. So there is the sardine can, and first up is the Ziploc. So survival guide with water purification, first aid stuff, and all that type. First aid. It smells like peppermint. So it's a peppermint. What's this? It's wax paper, I think, with, duct tape on it. So there's a tiny little piece of duct tape, which can be really helpful. There is medicine. A book of matches. The green. That's pretty cool. So what else is there? There is alcohol swab. There is salt and more brand ointment, whatever that is. So I'm going to keep the matches over here. So there is a little tootsie roll. What do they call this on the can? They call it an energy nugget. There is a little bit of fishing / sewing line. There's like 100 feet of this. So that is very helpful. So I can fish with that and all that types of stuff. So I'm going to use a little piece of duct tape. Hang on, let me get a little piece of duct tape off. Tear a little piece of duct tape off, like that big. And now I'm going to tape this so it stays on when I put it back in the survival kit and put everything in the Ziploc bag. Sorry about the background noise. If you can hear it, it's a mower. But after I wrap all this up, I am gonna put my little piece of duct tape on there to close that up. So now I get my fishing sewing line. And I still got a lot of duct tape. You can hardly tell I used it. We got some more stuff. So this looks like a whistle. I like the color. It's plastic, so you can break it, but it's not gonna be easy to break, but it's hard. And then there's a little string so you can wrap it around your neck if you want to with the fishing sewing line. It's pretty loud. I mean, it's pretty good. Just don't cover up the hole with your finger. But yeah. Oh, also on this, I just realized there is a little notebook paper. So, you can use this to write on, I didn't realize, but if you burn up a match, you can write on, the matches, you can write stuff on there, kinda. So, the matches are, good. Oh, no wonder why. There's a pencil, a little tiny pencil, no eraser. So, just don't make any mistakes. Some sugar. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but salt. There is a small piece of Wrigley's gum. I think it's, I can't tell really. So, just so you know, though this tea is in this Ziploc bag, everything smells like peppermint because it's so strong. It goes all through the container, which is a little bit weird, but it's true. So there's a fire cube which smells like peppermint, but it is not edible. So that I will be lighting for you when I show you everything that's in here. So stay tuned for that. There is a single Band-Aid, which are helpful for minor first aid. What else is in here? There is a razor blade, which I am gonna try to take the cardboard off. So I just took the cardboard off, and it's sharp. It's pretty sharp. That's good. So, like that. There is a couple more items. There is a little compass, if you can see it. It's really hard, sorry guys. But north I know is that way, and it says north is that way, so it's pretty accurate. You'll get the general point of direction. So I'm just gonna dump the rest of this stuff out. There is a single safety pin. Safety pins can be helpful for a couple of things. And then also there is a single little tiny fish hook. So that is what's in the container. So you could also use this for scooping up water and then boiling it. So I'm gonna light the fire starting cube now. So I took my razor blade and chopped a little piece of the fire starting cube. So now I'm gonna try to light it up with the Strike on box paper matches. Ooh, those light up nicely. There, hang on. Sorry it's taking me a little bit, guys. Ooh, there it is. Got it lit. So it lights up easy. And that right there could help you start a fire. So you could cook your fish, boil your water, or all that. So it will burn for a while. So that is the survival kit in a sardine can. Thanks for watching.